And new tonight at 10, a fight between two roommates ends in gunfire and a police standoff. 16 WAPT's Jennifer Ortega was there as police took the man into custody.
The 3.5-hour standoff ended in a rush when Jackson police tossed several flash bombs into the home on Connor Avenue.
This is a situation where two individuals who lived in the same house got into an argument and apparently could not resolve it other than one individual shooting the other.
Chief Lee Vance says the argument started over someone parking in the wrong place. That's when police say the suspect pulled out his shotgun and blasted his roommate in the shoulder.
Unfortunately, in the city of Jackson, this is the script too much on on other shootings that we had.
The suspected shooter barricaded himself inside the house with a woman. She escaped when police got there. Several hours and a few flashbangs later, the suspect came out.
We're always happy to bring these things to a peaceful resolution when we can. I'm not happy about us having to tape off a street and make a forced entry into a house because of a shooting.
The chief says the suspect is facing aggravated assault charges. The victim is said to be in stable condition at the hospital. In Jackson, Jennifer Ortega, 16 WAPT News.
Now, police are not releasing the victim's name and have not yet identified the suspect.